Hi everybody, welcome back. So in this PLEX tutorial, I'm going to go over how to remove an authorized device from your PLEX media server. So let's say you added a device to the PLEX media server or logged in to your PLEX media server from another device, and now that device has access. Or for whatever reason, um, there's another server that has access to your PLEX media server and you want to revoke access or remove access, this would be the way to go about it. So we'd click the settings button here in the upper right hand corner, which is the wrench with the screwdriver. We would go over here to authorized devices on the left hand side. Here it's going to list the authorized devices for your PLEX media server. So for instance, let's go ahead and remove access from another PLEX media server that no longer exists. We would simply click the X here. It's going to pop up this warning to confirm. If you remove the server, all syncs and shares associated with the server will be lost, and you will need to sign the server in again to restore access to PLEX. Cancel or remove. Or remove. Are you sure you want to remove the server? They want you to be very sure. Press yes, I'm sure. It is now removed from the list here. And you no longer have to worry about that server having access to the media or being able to sync to the media associated with this server. Thank you. Have a good one.